Hello and apa khabar? Daniel Azhar here from Car Space. I hope you guys are well. Behind me today, I have a Land Rover Defender. Banyak orang nak, banyak orang minat. So a lot of interest in this car. So there's a lot of people who wants it, but it's not easy to get. Especially now after COVID, with all these parts that are unavailable, production is slowed down by a lot. So demand is high but supply is low. However, we are able to get cars direct from the UK via Car Space for you. So Defender, I'm not sure if you guys are aware, there are 6 variants in total, 6 versions. So 6 engines, 4 petrol engines and 2 diesel engines, 2 litre inline 4s, one is just the inline 4, one is an electric hybrid, and you have a 3 litre inline 6, you have the 5 litre V8 now for the Defender. We have one coming in soon. If you've seen my previous video in the UK, right in the car park where we store our cars, that's the car that's coming soon. So I'll keep you guys posted on that. But last week, this inline 4 2 litre arrived. We're delivering it to a customer tomorrow. So I'm just putting this out here so that if you guys or you know anyone who is looking for a Defender, come down here. So just want to say, a brand new Defender, I don't know how long you need to wait for a new Defender. It could be 6 months, it could be a year, I'm not sure. But if you come here, it will take about a month to about 2 months for everything to process to your doorstep. So brand new Defenders is going to cost you about 700,000 ringgit for the 2 litre via Car Space. I do not want to put the price down here because I want you to come over. I'm inviting you over. I want to, explain exactly what the process is like to buy, to beli kereta ni. And I promise you, our prices are going to satisfy you. You're going to save a lot of money with us. You're going to have a very good quality car with us. That money saved, you could buy a Rolex, you never know, So please come down to Car Space. I'm going to show you around the car a little bit. So this is the 2 litre Defender 110 2020, direct from the UK. I will leave a short video by the side so that you can see our shipping process a little bit. My partner from the UK sent me when the car was on the ship. So it looks very, very handsome, first and foremost. Look at it. Like, this is not even the V8 yet. So just look at the car. And Defenders, they are built for a purpose, obviously. It's more for this outdoor enthusiasts, for people who are interested in adventure. As you can see, the interior, it's very, very minimalistic. That's my own personal opinion. But minimalistic doesn't mean bad, because yes, look, it's very industrial, it's straight to the point. You look at the door panels, like for a normal car you have panels protecting it here and there, but this right here is the door itself. Like, alright, being an outdoor car, made for the outdoor, so the Defender comes with the air intake snorkel. Some people call it scoop, but the official term is the snorkel. So if there is ever a situation that you need to pass through water, then rest assured your car is safe. So in this particular 2-liter Defender, this Defender comes in with 20-inch rims. Do I like the looks of the rims? Yes. But I can assure you, the Defender V8 comes in with meaner rims. You'll see. You can also check out my previous video, which will be in the link. I did a bit of a walk around for the car. Full review will be when the car is here. So this Defender comes with brackets for your overhead compartment. It's ready for you to go on your camping trips. So it's ready for you to go on your camping trips, adventure, yada yada yada. You've got a ladder here to assist you with things. I'll show you in a bit how the ladder works. Very, very solid ladder. It can hold up to 150 kilos. So for me, no problem. I'm about 100 kilos, but yeah. Moving to the rear, the modern Defender lights. Very nice. I like the design of it, personally. Not sure about you, you can leave it down in the comments. The rear door opens 90 degrees. 90 darjah. Boot space is reasonably good, as you can expect from an SUV. Below, there are actually 2 seats. So 5-seater becomes a 7-seater. So if you have, extra people that needs to be in your car, no issue. This time around, instead of having the seats on the side, down here, very, 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 very tidy this time around. So that's the Defender 110 boot, brought to you by Car Space. Over here you have another storage compartment, maybe for your camping tools, or no glassware, no drinks, no champagne here for sure. It's actually written in there, I'll show you later. Rear seats. Rear seats. Now, tell me in the comment section, what do you think of the legroom? Because for me, it is up to standard, it's comfortable. Let me just sit down and you can have a look. Selesa, no issue. Road trip with your friends, your buddies. Sitting position is fine at the back. Duduk, tak ada problem. I see myself sitting in here for hours, no issue. Tak ada masalah. The headroom up here is also reasonably good. Someone's a 6-footer and above, I guess. I'm 5'9", 9.5, I don't know, 176 cm, but this is the headroom that I have. So for those of you with children, no worries, ISO fix is available. Yang ada anak-anak, car seat kiri kanan, every car should have ISO fix. If it does not have ISO fix, chuck it in the bin. Alright, moving on to the driver's seat. You have electric seats. It's not manual anymore like the old Defender. It comes now with memory. So if you have a few drivers driving the car, no issue, no biggie. It's all saved for your comfort. Now, one thing that's interesting to me is the mirror. So this works as your normal mirror. We also have a camera at the rear which you could turn on. So this right now is from the camera. Maybe if your camera is, your rear view is blocked, you can use this. So very practical. I don't see myself using it because I hardly have a lot of things stored in my car, but you have that option. So I'll show you the camera. It's right here, right at the top. Alright, I'm now seated at the front passenger seat. It's very, very comfortable. For me, a little bit more comfortable than the rear, for sure. But if you notice in this Defender, just like the old Defender, you have compartments for storage everywhere. You have switches. Sorry, not switches. You have plugs for you to plug in your phones, your gadgets. It's for everyone. You have it for the driver, you have it for the front passenger, you have it even for the rear passengers. Forgot to point that out earlier. Very practical car, very, very practical car. Kereta yang senang untuk semua orang. Yeah, I know there are a lot of cars out there that, could potentially deliver the something similar, but this is the new Defender after all. They've improved the technology of the car a lot, hence probably that's why it has a new look. I mean, I like the new look, I love it. I do wish that they retain the old look like the Mercedes G-Class. Only bits and pieces of changes here and there, but hey, you gotta respect their art, their craft. Would I buy it? Definitely. So if you are interested in this car, do contact us. Our contact number is in the link. Check us out on Instagram. You can email us, make an appointment to come and see me personally, and I will be more than willing and happy to find you your next car, imported directly from the UK, be it a Land Rover Defender or anything else. So take care. Thank you so much for listening, and I'll see you guys in the next video.